This book is titled Weird Bird Beaks, written by Joe Slade. Here's a text feature called Table of Contents. I wonder what's on page 8 and what's on page 4. Let's take a look. Bearded Barbet. I'm a bearded barbet. I have feathers on my beak that look like hair. Crossbill. I am a crossbill. My beak is crossed like an X. My beak gets the seeds out of tree cones. Rhinoceros Hornbill. I'm a rhinoceros hornbill. I have a horn on top of my beak. I use it to knock down fruit. Sword-billed hummingbird. I am a sword-billed hummingbird. I use my long beak to drink from flowers. Brown pelican. I am a brown pelican. I can hold fish in the skin under my beak. Shoebill Stork. I am a shoebill stork. My beak is shaped like a shoe. Spoonbill. I am a spoonbill. My long beak looks like a spoon. Toucan. I am a toucan. My huge and colorful beak is very light. Many birds have weird beaks. Which beak is your favorite?